Samsung is finally giving Galaxy users something they've wanted for a long time, and surprisingly, this update is actually arriving earlier than expected. One UI 8.5 is now rolling out globally, and this isn't just a small bug fix update with minor visual tweaks. Samsung is bringing several Galaxy S26 software features to older flagship devices months ahead of schedule. That means phones like the Galaxy S25 series, Galaxy Z Fold 7, Galaxy Z Flip 7, and even parts of the Galaxy S24 lineup are already getting access to Samsung's next-generation software experience. The stable One UI 8.5 rollout officially started for the Galaxy S25 lineup earlier this month. But things became much more interesting on May 11 when Samsung expanded the rollout globally. Soon after that, reports started appearing that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 were also receiving stable One UI 8.5 firmware. Beta users are getting the update first, which is pretty common for Samsung rollouts, but the wider public release has already started in several regions. And honestly, this feels like a much bigger update than a normal mid-cycle software release. Samsung is introducing features that many people expected would remain exclusive to the Galaxy S26 lineup for at least a few more months. Instead, older Galaxy flagships are suddenly receiving some of Samsung's smartest software upgrades much earlier. One of the biggest additions is Samsung's new AirDrop-style file sharing system. This feature makes transferring files between Galaxy devices significantly faster and easier. Large videos, photos, apps, and documents can now move between devices almost instantly without complicated pairing steps or confusing setup menus. Samsung clearly wants the Galaxy ecosystem to feel more connected and seamless, similar to the experience Apple users have enjoyed for years. Another major improvement arriving with One UI 8.5 is upgraded AI-powered call screening. Spam calls and scam numbers have become a massive problem globally, and Samsung is now using smarter AI tools to help users deal with them more effectively. The software can identify suspicious callers more accurately and provide users with better information before they answer unknown numbers. But the biggest reason people are excited about One UI 8.5 is because the update changes how Galaxy phones actually feel during everyday use. Animations are smoother, app transitions feel faster, multitasking works more fluidly, and the entire interface looks cleaner in many areas. Samsung has spent years refining One UI, and this update continues that trend. The company appears heavily focused on making older flagship devices feel fresh again, rather than forcing users to upgrade immediately. And that's exactly why the rollout is getting so much attention online right now. The Galaxy S24 lineup may be the biggest surprise of all. Many users originally expected Samsung to delay the stable One UI 8.5 rollout for the S24 series. However, multiple leaks now suggest the stable firmware is already available in Korea for Galaxy S24 users. Even the Galaxy S24 FE reportedly appears to be included. That's important because Samsung usually starts major software rollouts in Korea before expanding them internationally, so if these reports are accurate, global Galaxy S24 users may only need to wait a little longer before receiving the update themselves. For Galaxy S23 users, though, the situation is slightly different. Samsung still hasn't officially added the S23 lineup to its stable rollout announcement. That likely means those devices will receive the update later, after Samsung finishes rolling it out to newer models first. That's definitely disappointing for S23 owners, but there's still a very strong chance the update eventually arrives. At the same time, Samsung is already working on its next major software upgrade behind the scenes. Recent leaks revealed internal testing builds for One UI 9, and the Galaxy S26 series will likely become the first lineup to test Samsung's next-generation software experience. Right now, only a few details about One UI 9 have leaked, but one rumored feature is already generating major hype online. Samsung may add a new Ask AI button directly inside its web browser. Instead of simply opening websites, the browser could act like a smart assistant that understands what users are reading and helps summarize, explain, or interact with content in real time. That could completely change how people browse the internet on Galaxy devices. Rather than manually searching for answers everywhere, users might simply ask questions about the web page they're viewing and instantly receive AI-generated explanations or summaries. Samsung clearly wants artificial intelligence to become a major part of the Galaxy ecosystem moving forward. And based on Samsung's usual launch schedule, One UI 9 will probably debut alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Galaxy Z Flip 8 later this year. Beta testing for the Galaxy S26 lineup could also begin much sooner than expected. So while older Galaxy devices are currently getting Galaxy S26-style features through One UI 8.5, Samsung is already building the next generation of Galaxy software behind the scenes. Of course, no software rollout is completely perfect. Even though early reactions to One UI 8.5 are mostly positive, some users have reported small issues after updating. A few people noticed occasional animation lag on the Galaxy S25 series, while others mentioned the new file sharing feature needed a restart before working correctly. Thankfully, these issues don't appear to be widespread right now. Most reports suggest the update is still running smoothly overall, and Samsung will likely fix smaller bugs quickly through follow-up patches over the coming weeks. That's actually one area where Samsung has improved massively in recent years. Software support is now much faster and more reliable compared to older Galaxy generations. Major Android updates arrive sooner, security patches are more consistent, and flagship Galaxy devices continue receiving new features for much longer periods of time. And honestly, that's becoming one of Samsung's biggest strengths in the smartphone industry. Instead of abandoning older phones, Samsung is trying to make users feel like their devices still matter years after launch. One UI 8.5 proves exactly that. Galaxy users are getting smarter AI tools, smoother animations, improved multitasking, and better ecosystem features without needing to buy a brand new smartphone immediately. That's a huge win for consumers. Now the big question is how stable One UI 8.5 will remain once millions more users install it worldwide. Early impressions look promising, but the real test begins when the rollout expands globally over the next few weeks. So far, though, this already looks like one of Samsung's most exciting software updates in a very long time. And if more One UI 9 leaks appear soon, things could become even more interesting. Get screwed for more Samsung news, Galaxy leaks, One UI updates, and the latest smartphone tech coverage.